Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and you guys see what is on the table. So we've got our unboxing knife and we've got a brand new box from AliExpress. Let's see what we've got. So yeah, I think I've made a video of the end of season sale a few weeks back, and this is what I've got from AliExpress sales, right? So what do we have, right? So let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Seiko SRPG 57K1. This is the STO or Safety Ocean Antarctica, where you can see those little happy feet and this is a very nice looking dial, and I just love it on this Vario distressed leather strap, which is, I think, an awesome, a perfect match for this particular Seiko monster, right? So let's get to the unboxing, guys. So let's see. Yep, let's take out the biggest knife here. I think I'm on the correct side. I think that is the only, oh yeah, we have to cut this at this point as well. Remember, do not to cut yourself. And let's see what is inside. Let's put that away. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Yeah. So this is your usual AliExpress box that you could find on. And let's take off this outer box. And what is it, guys? So this is, oh, I think we've got ourselves a few tools here and a few spring bars. And what is this? I think this is the what I don't know, this is to tighten the screw. Loctite, right? So a blue Loctite. So let's see what's inside the box. And boom, we've got ourselves a brand new Saint Martin or Saint Martin, right? So you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. And let's see which one is it. Okay, right, so we've got a free NATO strap. Very nice, quite nice. I think this is a seatbelt style NATO strap. Doesn't have any Saint Martin brand though, right? So, and we've got ourselves a new what do I say? Yeah, please follow our Saint Martin official store or Saint Martin. We have this big logo, which is the stamp, 2 years warranty from the date of purchase. They didn't put the date though. That's not good. And we have this basic setting of the watch, which is, this is a PT 5000 movement watch, so it is going to be here it is, guys. So this is the homage of the Black Bay, or I won't say a homage to the Black Bay 58, but a Black Bay homage nonetheless. So let's try to take this one off plastic. You know what, I'm just gonna, oh yeah, I think I found it. Usually it's quite difficult to open this plastic live during an unboxing. So yeah, now I found where to take off the end. Yeah, let's, oh my god, that is such a beautiful gilt dial. Man, I've been wanting to get something that is similar to the Black Bay 58. So obviously I'm not going to be spending $3,500 on a Black Bay 58, but 300 plus $, that sounds much more attainable. So yeah, I just pull the trigger and let's see what's it all about, right? So first thing first, the case dimension is 40 millimeters in diameter from here to here. A lug to lug from here to here is about 48 millimeters, and the thickness or the thinness of this particular watch is 11.5 millimeters, which is even thinner compared to the original, to the watch that it is homaging, or this is the, or you can just say Black Bay 58, which is, I think, at about 12 or 12.5, right? So, and of course the Black Bay 51 is going to be 14.5, so very thick watch. And of course it features this gilt dial with a matte black surface here, and those gilt indices and gilt hands, and oh, that is an awesome Snowflake style second hand there, and the hour hands as well. And we have this ceramic bezel insert, which is for me an improvement compared to the black base series, where those are using an aluminum insert, right? So you know what, let's just check the bezel. Ooh, now this is nice, right? So I've had the homage of the Seiko 6105-8000, so that bezel is nice as well. But this is almost similar to that particular feel. I don't really like the 62 mask version, but this one is just nice. And the most important thing, that it lines absolutely perfectly on the 12 o'clock, not as bad as the Seikos, right? So that sucks. Alright, so we have a fully brushed bezel, fully brushed case, fully brushed side case here with a bevel side here, polished bevel here, and we have this what do you call this? I can't remember. Oh, okay, the improvement that we have here is this, of course, this stamp clasp here and the female end link on the bracelet, right? So it's quite light though, at 145 grams they say. So when it is unsized yet, so the weight is about 145. So I think I could take off about 4 links out of this one and further reduce the weight of the watch, which for me, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know what to say, guys. Very, very nice looking watch in my opinion, right? So let's check out the crown action. They say that PT5000 is a bit gritty. Let's just check it out. Not that bad, not bad at all, guys, not bad at all, right? So since this is a PT5000 movement, it comes with a date, so we are going to have a ghost position. So that is the ghost position, and we pull it one more time, boom, we've got the hacking second, right? So let's see if the hand setting is okay. Let's turn back, so that is just nice. Let's go to that 10-10 position. Yeah, 10-10, and check out the screw in. Okay, yeah, we have that S logo there, and screw back in. Is it okay? No problems. Let's just check it out. I don't think there is any issue. All right, so okay, so it's a bit difficult though, because the crown is not that how to say, tall. So of course the size is just nice, but it is a bit thin in my opinion. But yeah, still, right? So there's nothing on the case back here, and I just love how this brand new logo stamp on the clasp here, right? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a full review in maybe 2 or 3 weeks time, so please stay tuned. And in the meantime, if you got any questions for me whatsoever regarding this particular watch, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will answer them in the full review, right? So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.